I found these plastic pumpkin containers at Dollar General for $1. I started by painting them with Wise Owl gray primer, and I'm just using an art brush to apply it. And this is just going to give my paint something to cling to. Once the primer dried, I painted my first pumpkin in tourmaline, which is a really pretty green. I painted one in Higgins Lake. Gray linen. An antique villa. Once this was dry, I grabbed my Wise Owl heavy metal. This is Cleopatra Gold. This is by far the best metallic paint on the market. I love gold metallic, and prior to Wise Owl, many times you need several coats. This just is great coverage with your first coat. It's very strong and durable and does not require a top coat. Now I'm hitting all the creases of the pumpkin and the stem. I'm hitting in gold. Just a very simple touch. This is a very simple craft I'm doing. I just wanted to dress up these inexpensive pumpkins, and I'm going to use them as decorations for my plate centers on my table. And what I love about this is the fact that it is actually a jar, and I can put some candy or something inside. I think these came out really, really pretty. The gold gave them a little bit of a glam. Very, very pretty. So to finish this off, I decided just to put some salve on. And this is basically just a wipe on, wipe off. I'm using my 2-inch palm brush just to seal my paint. I was very happy how these turned out. The paint stuck very, very well to the jar. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. For paint products, the metallics or brushes, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much.